The online messaging system allows you to send private or group messages to other LMS users. You can add users as contacts so that you will be able to easily locate and message them. Inside your chats, you will have access to an action menu where you can update various contact and conversation details. Any conversations that you star will be accessible in the starred section. To add a new contact, you can navigate to the profile of the user you would like to add. Then, simply click on Add to Contacts. Members of the same course group are also able to use the messaging system to send group messages. To do this, group messaging needs to be enabled for the specific course group. This can be updated in Course Admin on the settings page for the specific group. Once you have updated and saved this setting, the course group will appear in the messaging tool and users will be able to send group messages. Finally, you can update your messaging settings to determine who will be able to message you. Whether you will receive email notifications of new messages and how the send function should work.